check it out, y'all. Look at this. How is it? Scale of 1 to 10.
9.
Look at them spices, man. You know, the seasoning on there and some, what do they call that stuff we put the fish in? McDonald's right across from Terminal 21. Here we go. Here we go. I got my German brother with me, man. Vidat. Go ahead, man. Speak to him in German.
Was soll ich denn sagen?
He said, hello. No. Hey, McDonald's right there, y'all. We about to get this fried chicken. All right, I gotta do an intro video real quick. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're still in Pattaya Beach, Thailand, and I'm about to go to McDonald's to get some fried chicken. What y'all know about McDonald's? And I ain't talking about no chicken patties and the chicken McNuggets. We're gonna get some real fried chicken. Let's go in and check it out. Let's go in. Oh, they got the little push button thingy right here. Oh, it's quiet in here, y'all. I gotta be quiet. They got music in here, y'all, so I don't know what's going on. I'm surprised they don't have no outside seating, though, here at McDonald's, man. They got the fried chicken. Oh. I'm about to get me some fried chicken, y'all. They thought this was a game, but I am not playing, right? We're about to get us some fried chicken. As soon as this man hurry up and get his order out of the way, sir, could you just speed it up a little bit? Because I'm hungry. All right, y'all, I got my number. It came to 223 baht. We'll put that down here, exactly how much that costs in US. Let's get ready to eat, man. I'm waiting for my food. They are going to actually deliver it to the table. Can you believe that? McDonald's got the waiters coming around to the tables. We about to get this fried chicken. I'm with my homie Vidat, straight from Germany. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. I got his. Look like he got some chicken thigh. That's not a breast. Look like a thigh. You know the chicken thigh? The chicken thigh.
I don't know. Fried chicken? Spicy
Yeah,
fried chicken.
Spicy.
Spicy, yes.
I got spicy too.
Yes.
Thought this was a game. It's here, y'all. Oh, no wings? No chicken wings? Oh, chicken wings in the bag. Thank you very much. Look, man, I got nothing to drink. How you get something to drink? I don't get nothing to drink. All right, y'all. I'm not really worried about nothing to drink, but look at this chicken, y'all. Let me go. I gotta come from the right side on this one. Look at that chicken. That joker look crispy, fried, crispy, y'all. Look at it. I got them legs right there. Those legs look, oh, it's hot too, hot. Fried to perfection, man. I gotta just get, hold up, let's check out some of these wings. Let's take the wings out the bag. Just some spicy wings. They so spicy, they put them in, oh, wing things. It's the wings, but it's just the wing leg part. Look at that. Ooh, I can't wait to get into it. All right, let me stop playing. Where's the ketchup? They got these things right here. These are for ketchup. Oh yeah, got my ketchup. I'm ready now. I think I'm ready now. Let's eat, y'all. Slide that over. Put that there. I know some of y'all gonna be like, he eating fried chicken again? No. I'm eating McDonald's fried chicken. First, I'm gonna try the fries, y'all. While the fries are still hot, y'all see me get my ketchup. McDonald's fries. McDonald's still make their fries like this in the US? Because I think they changed it. This tastes like the old school McDonald's fries, which used to be the bomb. I don't want to stop eating these fries, y'all. Y'all, be that is going in. Look, y'all. Look, he over there going in, y'all. He got scraps.
I order more, man. I order more.
All the fries are gone. You ate breakfast?
Nothing today.
Oh, okay. How is it? Scale of 1 to 10.
9.
You'll give it a 9. Okay.
Tasty, man.
That gives it a 9, y'all. I'm gonna go into are the spicy wings, right? Y'all know I like the flat part of the wing, not the drumstick part, but I'm gonna go for it. Let's check it out, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. I should go out by Ronald McDonald and be like, look at this. Look at them spices, man, and those. It even look like there's some type of seasoning on there, and it look like there's some, what do they call that stuff we put the fish in? Anyway, let's check it out. Uh-oh, it's spicy. Oh, and tangy. Oh, that tastes like lemon pepper on there. That is really spicy, y'all. It really is. As soon as you put your tongue right here, the flavors just like attract to your mouth. This is so flavorful and delicious. I don't even know if I wash my hands. Or did I touch any doors? You like spicy?
I like spicy.
Was yours spicy? It was real spicy?
Yeah, I love spicy, man.
Enough talk. I'm eating this down to the gristle. I'm eating the gristle. Oh, that was so good. And good and spicy, y'all. This is so delicious. Next, I'm going for the leg. Let's check that leg out. I want to eat some of that crispy skin that's on it. This one's not spicy, but whatever they're dipping this batter in, and that oil, I would love to know exactly what type of grease that they use. You ordered more?
Yes, ma'am.
Vida is not joking. He just ordered a second order, y'all. I should have told him to grab me a soda.
Oh, sorry, man.
This chicken is really good, but I want to show y'all something. A lot of y'all be like, when the bone is dark on the chicken, that's not good. Now, is that like blood dark, or just not good? But it tastes delicious. Oh, you ordered the big chicken, but you got the spicy. And it is juicy and well done, y'all. See in there? That chicken's well done. I'm gonna set that one down, get back into the fries once again. This came to 200 and something. We'll look at the earlier. Here it is. 239 baht. We'll put the translation down there for you, but that's about $6.50. About $7. That's about $7. McDonald's though, this ain't Thai. But still, you'd have paid like $12 in the US. How much in Germany?
The menu like this, I think 10 euros, 11 euros is similar, like US.
Yeah. I remember these meals used to be like $4. All right, y'all. This look like the thigh necks. Let me pull my head up so y'all can see me. This looks like a thigh. I'm gonna just rip this little skin off of here, y'all, like that. Because I already know how crunchy that is. Look at this. It almost looks like a crab, don't it? He said it looked like an aspirin.
In Germany, we have also waiters to bring the food on the table. In the US too? No?
I don't know. That's a good question. In the US, do you guys have at McDonald's waiters to bring, like staff that'll bring your food to the table? Maybe some places, yeah. It's not normal though. They normally call your order and you go up and get it.
Okay.
Or call your number.
Okay, I understand.
All right, y'all. That in there to me looks a little dry, but we gonna see. I still feel the spices from the wing flings. It is not dry. Look, that chicken is not dry. It's pretty good. And it's flavorful. And I don't know if I'm tasting a little spice from this or is that still the spices from the wing flings. I'm gonna put a little ketchup on it. If you like spicy, oh, it's still 2 more in here. Oh my God. You want one?
No, well,
You can't eat one?
I'm a brother.
It's right and spicy.
It's spicy as well.
It's like we having a battle. He's like, this spicy as well. The burger's spicy. Is that a burger?
Yeah. It's chicken burger. Like this.
He got chicken burger.
Fried chicken burger.
I'm so tempted, man. Oh, I got another wing fling out here. See, there's 2 more wing flings in there, y'all. I ain't messing with it because it's hot and spicy. Sometimes you do run into a person that look like they're kind of like down on their luck here. Maybe I can pass that off. I heard some of y'all said that was me. I'm the person that look like I'm down on my luck. I know. If you like hot and spicy, if you're in Thailand, make sure you get these little wing flings. What are they called exactly? They're called the McFried Chicken Zesty. Make sure you get these zesty wings because they are truly zesty. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. You're hanging with the right cat now. I love you cats. I love y'all. I'll see y'all at the next one. Signing off from McDonald's in Pattaya Beach, Thailand. Across the street from Terminal 1. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Let me do that again. Take 2. 21. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you are with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all of those that hit the join button and become a member of the channel. Thanks to all our patrons that go to patreon.com/MattDVWilliams and support that way. I'll see you guys at the next one. Love you cats. Love you cats. Peace. That's our cue to cross the street, y'all. Terminal 21, they have a market here. People are setting up. They got groceries coming in, water, soda, Coca-Cola, Fanta. They got these little chairs out here and tables for short people. Look, that look like the stuff we used to sit on in kindergarten. They got the water here. This is pretty nice, y'all. In all actuality, that truck is making all that noise right there. I like that building. Is that, look at that guy hanging off the building. Wow. Must be motorized, right, for him to get himself back up? What, do you see him?
I see it.
That's crazy, right? You guys see that guy? I can't zoom in that tight. I want that job. All right, y'all. I don't know when they put this Christmas tree here, but this is just a reminder the holidays are upon us here in Thailand.